Boxford is a geographically large town with almost no commercial development. It is heavily forested and crisscrossed by various streams and brooks, many of which empty into the Ipswich River on Boxford's southern border. Boxford, Massachusetts is a sleepy rural town located just off Route 95. As you travel through the woods on the long private driveway, you approach this wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home, nestled on 6+ private acres of nature's paradise. The family chef will appreciate the expansive kitchen area with stainless steel appliances, a granite island, and a walk-in pantry. Walking down from the kitchen into the family room, you are met with soaring ceilings and skylights. This home has large bay windows. The young contemporary-style home provides an impressive view of the scenic surroundings, which provide natural light to the room. The interior is beautifully maintained with natural woodwork throughout. Enjoy the open spaces. There are gleaming hardwood floors on both the first and second levels. There's a large deck great for barbecues and entertaining guests. The location of Boxford is ideal, with easy access to the highway, less than 1 mile from Route 95. The property is just 15 minutes from the nearest shopping mall. This home has a well-maintained private well, equipped with a reverse osmosis water purification system and private septic. Laundry facilities are in the basement. The finished basement is large and is currently used as a daycare. However, there's lots of potential for a game room, office, extra bedroom, or whatever you can imagine. There's 2,952 square feet of living space and a finished lower level. There's a security system too. This home has multi-zone forced hot water and central air conditioning. There's a central vacuum system as well. Lots of storage space to boot. New carpets, tile, and a new architectural roof are a few of the many updated features. Boxford is home to Masconomet Regional Schools, which are considered one of the best public school systems in the state. All of these factors make Boxford a highly sought-after address for families with school-aged children. Boxford is a beautiful town, a great place to raise a family, and has a renowned school system. So if space and privacy are what you value, then this is the best place for you to set down roots. Welcome home!